Hi, in this lesson I want to talk about the box and whisker diagram. Now we've already talked about the minimum value and the maximum value. We've talked about range and the interquartile range. Now we want to talk about how to represent all of that on a diagram. So the box and whisker diagram is a box that has two whiskers on the side basically. The first whisker represents the minimum value. The second whisker represents the maximum value. Then the first quartile is represented by the first edge of the box, and the third quartile is represented by the other edge of the box. And then we have our median, and it's also represented as the second quartile. Now, this is the representation of a box and whisker diagram, right? So this is a box and whisker. So why do we represent this information here, also known as the 5-number summary? Well, this information can help us know more about the graph and how its values are distributed. The following two cases apply. We can have positively distributed data. This is when the longer side, or between Q2 and Q3, contains more data than Q1 and Q2. So it would look something like this. And we can also have a case where, so this is positively skewed first of all. And we can have negatively skewed, and as you can guess, this is when the left side is longer, like that. So this is negatively skewed data. And then this one here, the example that I drew, this is either neutral or a balanced diagram that represents the data. That means the class or whatever this data represents is not leaning more towards the left or the right hand side, but rather there's an equal distribution between our quartiles. So that's it for the box and whisker diagram.